You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these brand of luxury hotels. If you want to learn more luxury brand names that are confusing, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. I'll link to a few for you. JW, that's the English pronunciation, American English. JW, Marriott. It's not, some may say it as Marriott, which is kind of fine, but in American English it's Marriott. Marriott Hotels pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.